underground.
Oh, wow.
Each year at Mammoth Cave National Park in Kentucky, nearly 500,000 visitors go underground into the world's longest cave system.
It's over 412 miles of explored passageways.
There you go.
While tourists explore vast spaces below, above the cave, park officials face a problem with an outdated sewer system.
The problem we have right now is we're developing leaks.
Leaks infected with E. coli bacteria.
Obviously, you don't want high levels of E. coli in this section of the cave where you bring in visitors through. I mean, that E. coli could have been in the water that you're running through here. So we started looking for where that leak was. There was a manhole, and the sewer had plugged up, and the water found a way out of the sewer and then found its way down here in the cave.
The leak could affect not only the visitors to the cave,
There's a crayfish, there's one right there,
but also the unique wildlife species that live there.
Coming up in the next year or so, we're going to be replacing the sewer lines that are currently running through the park. In addition, we're adding a notification system. So when something were to happen and begin a leak, we're notified instantly on the surface.
The sewer system is just part of $92 million in deferred maintenance here that also includes cave trails, parking lots, and roads. Across the whole national park system, there are $12 billion in needed repairs. For 2 years, Congress has considered legislation that would speed sizable and reliable funding to fix the parks. Mammoth's sewer repairs are approved, but other repairs here and at other parks are still waiting. From This American Land, Gary Strieker for NBC News.